And this is my latest lawnmower find. This is a Craftsman. It's a rear-wheel drive, self-propelled model M320, 163cc, 7.25 foot-pounds gross torque. Briggs & Stratton engine on it. And I'm told it will not run. Got this on our local Facebook marketplace. I'll show you all about it. Just picked this up. There is no rear bag with this. Self-propelled. I think you push this one down. Not sure what they did with the latch here. Looks like the pin is out on the other side. See if I can put that back in. There's a model number that comes out. It's got compression, for sure. It's one of these that you supposedly don't have to change the oil in, which I don't really believe in. Let's check the oil in this. And it's clean. Looks like it might be a little overfilled. It's the newer overhead valve engine. He said he put a new spark plug in this. It looks too new to have to replace the spark plug. Somewhere on here it says no oil changes. And there's some more information about the engine on here. See if there's any gas in this. Yeah, got about a half a tank in here. Too new not to run. Rear-wheel drive, self-propelled. Let's check underneath. Hard to tell if that's a new spark plug. And the blade looks a little beat up under here. Pine cone stuck in here. Wheels look really good on it. It's got a single lever for your height adjustment for the front and the rear. And it came with a side chute. But I noticed there's a plug in here. Arch plug. Did with this. Latch is barely on there. And Craftsman pace control system, 21-inch. Looks like they never put the rope in this hook here, which I see pretty common when getting mowers. Put that back in there. Get these handlebar bolts back on there. And see if we can see why it won't start. Let's check the air filter. Oh my. That might be the reason why it won't start. It's almost completely clogged up. Could it be that simple? Well, we'll find out. Let's just try to give it a start without the air filter on it and see if that might actually be the problem. And we're going to try to start this without the air filter on it to see if that might be the problem, since it looks like it's totally clogged. And I put the rope handle up here where it ought to be. Correct to these handle bolts. Let's just see what happens here without trying to put any carburetor cleaner in it. Here we go. Oh wow, way too easy. sharpening. Well, that's one of the best running, non-running lawnmowers I think I've ever got. I'll still clean that air filter out. Sharpen the blade, give it a good cleaning. Nice Craftsman lawnmower. Couldn't really find anything wrong with it. Very easy fix.